4. Candle confirmation, engulfing or pin bar. Entry, candle close. SL below breakout candle. TP, next resistance or 1.2 risk reward. Risk 1%. MACD divergence. Divergence. Price makes new high. MACD fails to make new high. Bearish divergence. Same concept for bullish reversal, MACD divergence. Market के अंदर की कहानी. Common mistakes. Every MACD cross पे entry. Ignore histogram, shrink. Use on low time frames blindly. Use MACD on 1 hour या 4 hour confluence with price structure. Don't use MACD alone. Multi-time frame MACD use. Example. Daily MACD bullish. 4-hour price at support. MACD crossover on 4 hour. High probability entry. Multi-time frame confirmation plus confidence.